Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, fellow fan. You may have been to the channel before if you've seen some of the other Paiste videos. If not, I'm doing a little mini series on the Paiste symbols that I've got, even though it's not perhaps the main focus of my channel. So yeah, this little video will be about the Paiste Alpha 20-inch power ride. The Alpha range is was quite cheap and is quite cheap to buy second hand. I'm not quite sure, but perhaps you can pick up this symbol for less than £100. And yet I don't feel that reflects the value. The value doesn't reflect the quality of the symbol. I think they're superb symbols, fantastic. This one's got a really nice pingy sound, clear cutting for the ride, and yeah, I just think they're great symbols, and they're just perhaps undervalued in my opinion. So if you're looking to buy one or whatever, here's going to be a little sound clip of it. Yeah, I mean, in general terms, I'm not looking to demonstrate any drumming technique. Having stopped playing maybe 25 years ago, 20 years ago, and I've not done any practice leading up to this video because I'm only doing it from a point of view of showing you the sound of the cymbal, like I say, rather than any drumming technique. But I'm playing the drums as well to give it context. We do some just purely cymbal sounds as well. So let's go on with it and see if you enjoyed the sound of the video. Cymbal. Leave some comments, please. Alright, and as per usual with all my little videos, I always give the understanding